Namaste everyone. Welcome to Mamta's Smart Moms YouTube channel. In today's episode, we'll make an easy to make Indian sweet that is quick and tasty and healthy as well. It's the Kandarappam or the Kartigeyappam. The ingredients required are a cup of whole wheat flour, atta, 1 cup of powdered jaggery, 2 spoons of rice flour, 2 spoons of semolina, and chopped almonds and cashew nuts, 1 spoon, and freshly grated coconut, 2 tablespoons, a pinch of baking soda, 1 pinch of cardamom powder, and also a pinch of table salt to enhance the sweetness. The powdered jaggery can be dissolved in a cup of water and filtered to remove the impurities. I've already made it into a liquid now. We will use this liquid to combine all the ingredients to make a batter. Now let's add the wheat flour and all the other ingredients. 1 spoon of rice flour. It adds crispness to your appam. The cardamom, freshly grated coconut, the semolina and the chopped nuts. This is a festival sweet, but it also can be enjoyed as a quick evening snack for children and adults, since we have added only jaggery and not white sugar, hence it's very healthy. And I've also added a pinch of the plain table salt to enhance the sweetness. Combine all the ingredients thoroughly and we'll add in the jaggery water. I have just heated the water a little to help jaggery to melt quickly. This is not boiled to any consistency or anything, just plain jaggery water. 1 cup jaggery in 1 cup of water. Now mix the batter to this consistency. You need not make it so thick like a chapati or a puri dough consistency. Let it be a soft batter. You can also add a ripe banana mashed into it. Traditionally, this is an instant recipe wherein white refined flour is used, but today we have used whole wheat flour. So this gives a very good health factor and also a good taste factor to this item. If need be, you can add a little more jaggery water. You may or may not use up the entire jaggery, so just adjust the consistency. This sweet dish is neither too sweet nor too bland, so can be enjoyed by everyone, not just sweet lovers. Now I've heated cooking oil, sesame oil in the kadai, and now let us spoon in the batter. Don't worry about the shape. Since it's a loose batter, it will take the shape of whatever you make with your fingers. Ensure that you make small rounds so that the entire appam gets uniformly cooked. If it's too big, the center part might go uncooked. This way, let us spoon in the entire batter into batches and fry until they are golden brown. This will not absorb too much oil. I've used sesame oil today. You can use any oil, cooking oil of your choice. The time taken for the hot oil to get hot enough to be fried is the time that we rest the batter. That's about 5 minutes for the suji to get absorbed into the batter. Now let's turn the appams one by one. You may also do this on a paniyaram griddle. That will use up even very less oil. Once the appams are done, we'll remove them from the oil and they are ready to be served. Easily done in less than half an hour. It's an ideal evening snack, and as part of this Kartike Deepam celebration, I have made it as a Naivedyam, evening prasadam to offer to God. Do try and let us know your feedback. Thank you.